said, you know, our mission is to build an unbreakable financial house, to help our clients build an unbreakable financial house. But what does that really mean? Like, what is an unbreakable financial house? Well, it means that no matter what happens, no matter what comes your way, what barriers and challenges you face, that you can handle it financially. Your financial house is unbreakable, unshakable. But beyond just being able to handle things financially, you can really create the life that you truly want to live and make the impact that you truly want to make in your life, your family's life, your business, your community, and beyond. So you could really reach your full potential, because we all were designed with gifts and talents to share. And if we're too busy, stressed out, thinking about finances and survival, like, we're not really focusing on our creativity and our skills and our talents to share. So we want to help you to build that unbreakable financial house so you could really reach your true potential. So how do you build an unbreakable financial house? This applies to your personal finances as well as your business if you're a business owner, because your business really feeds into your personal finances. So you want to have an unbreakable business and unbreakable personal finances in your financial house. So to build an unbreakable financial house, we're going to talk about that today. There's 6 building blocks that make up your financial house. So we're going to go through each one of those. And what we do when we talk to our clients and talk to people about building an unbreakable financial house is we take them through these 6 building blocks and we help them identify where they are, where they want to be, and help them fill in that gap. And really the key is to identify and eliminate risks that could take them out. One of the things that we really strive to do is to help you increase your knowledge, not just tell you what to do or what to believe because we're smart experts. We want to help you increase your knowledge so you could take responsibility for your choices and your decisions when it comes to your finances. And then you could really have control, more control over your life, your results, your money. You have more control over your money instead of your money controlling you. The other thing too is that our goal is to make learning about money fun and easy. When you think about learning about money and handling finances, typically you don't think about like fun and easy, right? But we want to make it fun to confront and easy to handle. All right, so
and also while Chelsea's saying about that, sorry, I see some comments on there. Feel free to engage in the comments. That way we're having a two-way communication versus just one of us talking, you know, at you. If there's something you like, or there's questions or different things like that, or something you want us to repeat, go ahead and say that in there. I know Michael said he wants to, not in a relationship, but wants to build an unbreakable financial house.
Yeah, so, thanks for reminding me about the chat. I totally forgot about that. So yeah, if you have questions, please put that in there. And this is for you this will help you if you're single, if you're in a relationship, if you work at a job, or if you're a business owner. So all of these areas, really the 6 building blocks to an unbreakable financial house, everybody must master these things in order to strengthen your financial house. You could be just starting out. You could be experiencing a lot of success. You could be a billionaire, and these 6 areas are still going to apply to you, because there's always another level that you can strengthen, that you can put into place and strengthen your financial house more. So as we go through these, really the main thing we want to help you think about is how to put yourself in a stronger financial position and how to avoid putting yourself at financial risk. As we go through, I'm gonna talk about the first 3 building blocks, and then Martin is gonna really get into the meat and potatoes of the remaining 3 building blocks. And then at the end, we're gonna tell you how you can learn more, and we have a gift for you. Okay, so let's get started. You ready to go through these building blocks?